baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.
Just came back from Woolies and I bought stuff for my diet slash ingredients for my smoothie. So I got this double yogurt from Woolworths, plain yogurt, some carrots, but that's not for my smoothie, for cooking. This is just cucumber. I don't know how this one got opened, but it's an organic banana from Woolies for 2 of those. Some apples, these golden delicious apples, cranberry juice, strawberries, and this feta cheese, it's the plain one, bread for the house, and baby spinach. We also got that smoked chicken here we are with, and I'm gonna make salad and we'll have it for dinner. So yeah, that's what I bought. Good morning, Zithandwa Zami. It's another day of the vlog. Today is Friday. I actually had to think about that. Like, really, it's already Friday. And I'm about to make my husband lunch as well as his smoothie. So I'll make him the Woolworths chicken from last night, the leftover chicken with the green salad, because it's also on the same diet that I'm on. So yay, we bought on the same diet. And then I'll make him a smoothie because he likes having a smoothie before, like on his way to work, while he's driving to work. So I'm about to do that. This guy wants me to open cocoa melon for him. He was watching it. There's it. There it is.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy.
I also love adding jungle oats, this instant one, on my smoothies. Just 1 spoon. Don't touch this, please. Chunya, move.
What's true?
Why don't I? Say don't eat. What the truth? Mbempeten. Na iPhone. Me. Asivuleni Coco Melon. Ti 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 ti.
No, jabulelo Coco. Let's have the jabu.
Say hello to the vlog. Mana si Tata. Say hello.
Oh.
Ini kan ngomong Mina. Okay, let's get this makeup started.
Ngokubona nje. Lothi ngineza amachabuzi.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
I used to love this foundation. I don't know why I stopped using it. My lighting is bright as always, but I literally used to love this, and it's running out. Operation finish all the almost running out items is on.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Hey girl, what are you listening to? Hey, you're gonna give me copyright. What are you doing? Hey, Zithandwa, can you switch that off, please? You're gonna give me copyright. Thank you. I actually need to take down the Christmas tree. Ninja and Zithandwa, how you guys doing? I am about to start work. It's actually 8 o'clock. And yeah, I need to start working. But it says you're gonna give me copyright. Faka my headphones. Why am I faka my headphones? Anyway, I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Nakok, she does it again. Anyway, guys, I'm so happy. So I weighed myself on Monday, and I don't know if I should show you what I weighed, but because I didn't take a record today's weigh in, so it doesn't make sense. But basically, since Monday and today I've lost 2.7 kgs. So Monday morning I weighed myself. Today is Friday. I weighed myself again 4 days later, and I've lost 2.7 kgs. I'm so over the moon. I'm hoping I can keep going, like keep the momentum, so I can get back to the 80s. And yeah, we are happy about that. I was telling my husband that even if I see 89.9, I'll be over the moon, because I've been sitting on the 90s for so long, and my normal weight is 85 kgs, 85, 86. I always like 84, 85, 86. That's like my normal weight, and I haven't seen it. I didn't sit last year, whole of last year. And then prior to that, obviously I was pregnant, so I've never seen that number on the scale. I'm hoping I'll see it before beginning of March, so that's my goal. I'm working on that, and I'm so focused, like a focused queen, you know. And I'm always wearing a waist trainer these days. I don't know if you can see, there's it here. Always wearing a waist trainer. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these ripped tights from H&M. I think I'll show you guys my outfit properly. And then this t-shirt, and I'm just wearing slippers. But yeah, guys, I'm happy. Wish me luck. I need to keep going. I actually need to go make myself a smoothie, but I prefer to have a smoothie at around 9. So it's still early. It's about 5 to 8 now. I'm not gonna have it now. I'm just going to drink my water, and then at 9 o'clock I'll make myself a smoothie, and we can start with our first meal of the day. I need to take out my plant. Is it there? They're cleaning, and that's why everything is moved around. I need to take out this plant and water it. Smoothie time. This girl that does my nails, she's not responding to my messages, and I'm getting annoyed because I need to confirm my appointment with her. If she doesn't confirm, I need to know so I can make an appointment with someone else, you know. My nails look terrible. What's this?
My nails is terrible.
Tsebo, buka lana Tsebo. Kumana ngisendelele into lena. Forgot to apply my lips coming off. Let me reapply my lipstick quickly. I've removed that box that I'm still like playing around in this area. I removed that knife box, and I've put my hair. My hair is in here. It's a box I got from Just Braids. So this is what this whole area looks like now. Let me quickly apply the lippy. Hi, Bo. I'm great. Yay, where are you going? Going straight to my laptop. This boy. Straight to my laptop.
John. What's awesome? What's
Applied my lipstick. I'm wearing this MAC lipstick. It's the Ruby Woo. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself a snack because I'm hungry. I should leave this lipstick here. Yeah, I'm gonna make myself a snack because I'm starving. I forgot to apply cologne this morning. That's what I wanted to say earlier, and then I got distracted because of a stain. I'm using my Olympia. I'm not even wearing roll-on. I ran out of roll-on. Well, I don't wear roll-on anymore. I use that anti perspirant spray. I ran out of it. I need to get today after work. Let's go get a snack. Guys, I can't believe Uti, I'm out of a fucking knife. My husband was saying yesterday there are no knives in the drawer. I don't know where they disappeared to during December, but I've got a sealed box that I got from my wedding 5 years ago. I've never used it. It's the what's Jamie Oliver. Let's open it together. Ouch. Oh, I'm gonna put you guys. I'm gonna put you guys here. Steady. Oh god, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, this is the box. Damn. 5 years ago, guys, 2016. Can't even remember who gifted me this. See, this is Jamie Oliver. I think that's his name. Look. These spoons, they've got that embroidery or whatever. Jamie Oliver. Knives. They also have the Jamie Oliver. More spoons. 4 teaspoons, and they look really cute. How cute those teaspoons look. They look cute, eh? Some forks. 4 forks. I'm gonna take these out. Don't know if I'm gonna use this for my drawer. I don't think I will. This here. There's also another gift. This one I did open I think 2 years ago, but I put everything back in here. So this is what it looks like. It's also my wedding gift. I think I only took out this big bowl only, which I use for my salads, and then everything else I have never used. I'm remembering I actually was reaching out for this because these are old school. These were also my wedding gift, and I wanted to put my snack in them, so that's why I took this out. But these are cute, I think. Look at that. And they're much smaller, so I'm gonna take these out. Take maybe 2 of these because we still have 2 of the other ones. We don't need all of them. There's 6 in the box. There you go. 6 in the box. I'll take out 2. Leave the other 2 in here. And then there's more here. I don't know what's in here. There's more. Oh, there's more similar. Was this even part of this? I don't think this was part of that box. Because can you see the box is different? The design is also different to this and what's in the box. So I don't know which one I like actually now. Which one is nicer? I don't know. There's 4 of these here. So I don't know if I'm gonna take 2 and then put everything back in the box. And yeah, let me get my snack. So take 2 of these and my spoons. Yesterday we bought these peanuts as well from Woolies. I didn't show you guys. So you get 2 for 60 rands, and this is quite big. This is like 450 grams. I really enjoy these nuts. I'm going to the shops with my husband and running errands, and I'm dressed like so. I only put a coat over, but I'm not sure about this coat with my tights and this bag. I don't know, what do you guys think? Am I too casual? I think it looks good. I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, so I've decided to change the whole outfit. I decided to put on my shorts from Mr. Price. I think I look better. And my sandals from H&M. This t-shirt, I don't know where it's from. I think I look better now. Like, I'm still going to use the same bag though, because there's quite a bit of stuff that I need to put in here. Sorry guys, excuse me. So yeah, this is me for the errands. I prefer using the bag when I'm running errands. Look at that. Snatchy, 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 snatchy. Oh. Zithandwa, Hamba. My husband is here. We'll catch up when I get back. Wow. Mechi, mechi. Mechi. Yeah, Hey Zithandwa, I'm back.
And you're going to see us.
We are back. Hubby and I were matching coincidentally, if that's a word. Yeah, it was a coincidence. We were both wearing black and denim. Anywho, I'm about to get started with dinner. I don't have all the ingredients that I need, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys, because the meal is not going to come out as good as it usually does, because I'm missing my peppers. I don't have peppers, I don't have mushrooms. I do have bacon. I'm making pasta, by the way. I'm making pasta. So mince, using mince and bacon. So I do have that. I do have onions, my cream. I make my own cream. The only thing I'm missing is peppers, mushrooms. What else? Peppers and mushrooms. That's the only thing I'm missing. So yeah, but I'm not going to show you, because my ingredients are more pelele. But basically we went to the shops to get just necessities, like a mask, some stuff for the house, some cleaning stuff, and we also bought a uniform for the helper. She requested it, she wanted it, so I think she doesn't want to damage her clothes, so we bought her that. We just bought her one. I'll buy another one end of the month. And yeah, so now I need to cook and relax and just get laid back. If I didn't mention this, I'm not drinking, guys. I've just put drinking on hold for like the next 3 months. I want to focus on losing weight in my body. Once I feel like I've reached a certain goal, which I think I'm going to reach by March, I would have reached it, I'm hoping, then I'll start drinking there and there. But drinking just messes up my diet all the time, because I start craving the wrong foods. So hubby and I just decided that we'll put that on hold, and then we'll just focus on losing weight, so, and just living a healthy lifestyle. That's what we agreed on. It's mostly about a healthy lifestyle, healthy mind, healthy soul, healthy body. That's what it's about. 2022. So wish us luck one more time.
Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now you're damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened?
What are you doing? Eh? Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Yeah.
Get out of my way. We are happy. Yeah? No, don't take the broom. No. Leave it. Daddy.
Baby, don't cry no more.
Hey, Zithandwa Zami, it's another day of the vlog. Today is Sunday. I have a few things that I need to do today. Well, hubby and I, we need to take the car to the car wash for a wash. It needs to wash. It's never been washed this year. And we need to, well, I need to go to the mall. So when I go to the mall, he's gonna be nappy because he went for lobola negotiations for one of his cousins. So he only just got home this morning and he's tired. So I'll go to the mall, run my errands, do whatever I need to do, and he'll be napping when he wakes up. Or might just go to the car wash, or he'll go. We'll see how that goes. But car wash is always a nice chill place for us as well. So, and then they are planning a swim day today as well. They want to go to the pool and swim. I don't want to mess with my skin. I was sunburned from the last time. I don't think I want to swim anytime soon. Also, I'm just tired because today's my rest day. I didn't jog today, and then tomorrow I need to jog again. So 5 kilometers is not child's play. So after swimming, I get really exhausted. It becomes very difficult for me to run the next morning. So I'll rather just take my break. And since I didn't swim yesterday, because I was meant to swim yesterday, since I didn't swim yesterday, I'm not swimming today as well. I will just have to watch them swim if I have to, and the sun is blazing hot, so I'm not interested.
God bless our food, Daddy God. Amen.
Amen.
Jesus.
Isafujini jo sihamba uyithatha nani?
Mama, ngiyithelele.
Hamba usithathe isigubhu silethela ngibona ngathi
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's come.
yeah. Uzoyibheka phela. Guys, I'm going to the mall. Like I said earlier. Inengekho manje. Gonna wear this fragrance. I'm trying to finish everything that's almost empty, so we need to finish this fragrance as well. I've finished the DKNY. Need to finish this one. And also my makeup, I've been using all the ones that I said I want to clear out. It's lazy to do my hair, so decided to turn into this headband wig type of look. Let me show you my outfit. Oh God, the floor is so messy. I think my makeup looks better here because the lighting was bright on that side. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these shorts. I'm sure you guys are tired of these shorts. Pet them with this baby heel from H&M. Shorts are from Mr. Price. Shirt is from H&M, and yeah, gonna carry this bag right here because it matches the shoes. So let's go.
Saham. Store.
It's a stall.
Yep.
You don't even know where we're going.
Yeah.
Is it a stall? Is it fun?
Yes.
Exactly. We're going to the mall. Yeah.
And then we're going to come back home.
You can't wait to come back home because you want to swim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sambin, guys.
We want to swim.
She wants to swim, yes. What are you waiting for? What did you order?
Ice cream.
You just want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite ice cream.
Yay.
Look at these blue lights.
They're not even on.
Yeah, that's when it's broken.
That one is broken. The ice cream is coming. Be patient.
Feelings gonna make me smarter and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river.
Hey Zithandwa Zami, welcome to another day of the vlog. For you guys, it's like literally 2 seconds or 1 second, but for me, I haven't picked up this camera in like 5 days, so I'm planning on wrapping up this vlog today. We are going to the beach with the family. I'm ready to go to the beach. We're going to the ocean vibe type of thing, not the pools, because we already have a swimming pool. We don't need that. We just want to play by the sea, the ocean, chill, have a picnic, bright. We'll see how the vibe is, but the weather is quite good, so I'm hoping everything goes according to plan. That's why my face is bare. I've also just come back from a 10-kilometer run with my husband and I'm tired. I don't think I'm going to swim. I think I'm just going to chill there, relax. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm just chilled and relaxed for the beach. So Zithandwa, this is me. Okay, this is the bag that I'm carrying because I have to stuff in a lot of stuff in there. But otherwise I'm wearing this short. I don't know if you guys remember this short, but it was part of my try on haul. And I have my swimsuit underneath, like so that if I decide to go into the pool I can just take everything off and go in. But yeah, and I'm wearing my H&M sandals. Let's go to the beach.
Promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter and to realize that hey, the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it, no. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection, and every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feelings gonna make me smarter and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever
Some seaweeds. Mina ngedwa. Ngiyabona uma complain ethole yiba. Hey guys.
Going soon enough, I also see the light. Get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter. And to realize that a river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow.
We're still chilling here with the fam. Sis, come.
Hi guys, I'm doing this. I look like a baby.
You look like a baby.
The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow. Always ends up in the ocean.
La? Okay. The tea was on.
Uthi lapho uthi ukhathele nawe wabuhla lapho.